Namaste everyone, this is Dr. Pratibha K.S. Today I'm before you to present university question papers of paper 5, that is Genetic Engineering and Environment Biotechnology. Okay, now let us go through the university question paper. Here you can see this is 5th semester BSc examination November or December 2013 question paper. Okay, Genetic Engineering and Environmental Biotechnology. Okay, 70 marks for fresher student, that was during that 2013-14. Now also you're writing for 70 marks. Okay, and in this question paper, wherever you require any flow chart or diagram, you need to draw the diagram and flow chart, and you need to label what is that particular structure represent. Okay, so in the diagram you need to do all that things. Then now let us go through the section A. First main, write short notes on the following. All these 5 questions carries 2 marks. Okay, you must keep in your mind for 2 marks, 11 points you need to write, and important points you need to underline. After each answer, kindly put double lines. Okay, because presentation is very, very important. Question number 1, conventional fuel. Question number 2, VAM. Okay, then question number 3, GMO. Question number 4, southern blotting. Question number 5, DNA ligase. Okay, here you need to define what are conventional fuels and give example. Here you need to write the what this VAM stands for, that you need to write and write example. Here also you need to explain this what is GMO. First write the full form of the GMO, what this GMO stands, and give example and define that one. Okay, you need to write here southern blotting, give the definition of the southern blotting, who discovered, okay, and what is the purpose of doing the southern blotting. You need to write it here, define the DNA ligase and give one example. Okay, section B, answer any 4 of the following. In section 1, you need to write all the answers. 5 questions you need to all the 5 questions answers you need to write. Whereas the second main, answer any 4 of the following. Okay, so here you got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 questions you have got. So any 4 you need to answer. Okay, each answer carries 5 marks. Okay, so total 20 marks here. So 6th question here, describe cDNA library construction. Here first define what is the cDNA library and go for the steps of the particular cDNA library construction. Okay, then question number 7, describe colony hybridization technique. Here also first define what is this colony hybridization, then go through the techniques which comes under the colony hybridization. Important points you need to underline. After each answer, put double lines. Okay, and wherever you require flow chart, no, write the flow chart, and wherever diagrams comes, kindly label that, and at the below the diagram you write what is that. Okay, then explain electroporation method of gene transfer. Okay, while explaining this electroporation method of gene transfer, just define what is gene transfer and what are the different methods you know about the gene transfer. Then explain this electroporation with the definition, technique and applications, and you can also write the diagrammatic representation of electroporation. Then 9th question, give an account of symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Okay, then 10th one is explain bioleaching of gold. Here also define bioleaching, then go through the gold. Then section C, answer any 3 of the following. Explain the recombinant DNA technology in the production of human growth hormone. Okay, this carries 10 marks. Whereas here you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. In these 5 questions, any 3 you need to write. 12th question, what is bioremediation? Explain the methods of bioremediation of contaminated soil. Okay, 13th question, explain different vectors used for gene cloning bacteria. 14th question, write an account of municipal wastewater treatment. This you don't have in your syllabus, so you can exclude this because we had actually during 2013 this particular unit, so you don't have this semester. You can drop this one. Write an account on municipal wastewater treatment, you don't have. Okay, explain the principle and production of biogas. Okay, then section D, that is you're going to write all the 10 question answers you need to write. 16th question, give an example of type 2 restriction endonuclease. 17th question, name the antibiotic resistance marker in PBR 322. What is annealing? What are primers? Name phosphate solubilizing microorganism. What are biopesticides? What are biofuels? Define phytoremediation. Who discovered enzymatic method of DNA sequencing? Then what is gasohol? Okay, so this is all about the 2013 paper. Now let us go through the 2017 paper. Okay, write short notes on the following. First question DDT, then second question RNase H, then third question methanogenes, fourth question laxate gene, fifth question PAGE. Okay, then section B, write any four of the following. Write a note on PBR 322, write a note on southern blotting. What is colony hybridization? Explain. Explain microbial hydrogen production. Okay, then 10th question, write a note on genetically modified plants. If I'm going very quick, you can pause this video and you can make a note. Next, answer any three of the following. Describe in detail the steps involved in PCR. Add note on its applications. 12th question, discuss about the degradation of plastics in detail. Add a note on its environmental hazards. What are biofertilizers? Explain in detail symbiotic nitrogen fixation in bacteria. 14th question, write notes on the following. T4 DNA ligase, expression of clone DNA in E. coli. 15th question, explain the steps involved in construction of cDNA library. Okay, next, fourth main, answer the following. Each question carries 1 mark. You need to write only the one word answer or one sentence answer for 1 mark. Okay, what is pyrolysis? Name any two organisms used in the bioleaching of uranium. Define bioabsorption. Expand TEMED. Name the vector commonly used in the recombinant hepatitis B vaccine production. Write any two demerits of micro-injection. Expand DDNTPs. What is the function of exonucleases? Give any two examples of conventional fuels. What are cosmets? Okay, so this is about the 2017 university question paper. Now let us go through 2016 paper. Write short notes on the following. PUC 19, isoschizomers, renewable resources, WAN, southern blotting. Okay, then our second main, answer any four of the following. Explain electroporation method of gene transfer. Then, what are restriction enzymes? Explain the types. Write a note on symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Enumerate the difference between AGE and PAGE. What is bioleaching and mention its applications. Okay, so all these questions need to answer for 5 marks. Okay, one except option will be there, other 4 you need to answer. Third main, answer any 3 of the following. What is bioremediation? Explain the methods of bioremediation of contaminated soil. Next question, write short notes or notes on the following. Immunological screening, micro injection. Okay, in immunological screening, you can explain about the colony hybridization. Thirteenth question, describe the production of recombinant insulin. What are conventional fuels? Enumerate their environmental impact. What are vectors? Explain bacteriophage as a vector, a cloning vector. Answer the following. List any 2 uranium leaching microorganisms. What is annealing? Name the antibiotic resistance markers in PBR 322. What are biopesticides? Define gasol. Write the function of RNase H. What is genomic library? What is reverse osmosis? Write one application on M13 bacteriophage. Give any two examples of methanogenic bacteria. Now let us go through the question paper 2015. Write short notes on the following. EcoR first or EcoR 1. Micro injection. Northern blotting. Hydrogen energy. Lagoons. Okay, all these 5 questions you need to answer. Section B, answer any 4 of the following. Describe briefly the principle and procedure involved in agarose gel electrophoresis. Okay, in short, you can say AGE. Only they've asked here AGE, that is agarose gel electrophoresis. You must know the difference, that is PAG, that is polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis. This is AGE, that is agarose gel electrophoresis. 7th question now. Explain colony hybridization technique in recombinant screening. Next, explain the salient feature of lambda phage as vector. Give an account of Ne2 heavy metal bioremediation. Next question. Mention the environmental benefits and risk of genetically modified organisms. Third main, answer any 3 of the following. Section C. Explain plasmid vectors are used for gene cloning in bacteria. Describe cDNA library. Calcium chloride method of transformation. 13th question. Describe the production of recombinant somatotropin. 14th question. Explain the process of treatment of municipal wastewater treatment. You don't have this in your syllabus. Explain the bioleaching process of copper in detail. Section D. Answer the following. You can answer this in one word or one sentence. Name the 2 selectable marker on PUC 19 vector. Dash is a short or long single stranded DNA that is complementary to a specific region of the nucleic acid. What are fusion proteins? MCQ question. The enzyme used in PCR is Taq polymerase, clinofragment, nuclease, ligase. Name any 2 bacteria used in the production of biofertilizer. The recognition site for EcoR1 is dash. Name the cell scientist who created the first patented genetically modified organism, Pseudomonas putida. What are recombinant vaccines? Give any 2 examples for alternative source of energy. What are activated sludge? Okay. Now let us go through the question paper 2014, Genetic Engineering and Environment Biotechnology. Write short notes on the following. Laxed gene, cosmids, biofilm, rhizobium, alkaline phosphatase. Each question answer carries 2 marks. Section B, answer any 4 of the following. Explain immunological screening of recombinants. Describe the method of production of ethanol from sugar. What are restriction enzymes? Explain the types. Write a note on Phytoremediation. Explain the structure of PBR 322. Answer any three of the following. What is blotting? Explain northern blotting. Discuss the role of recombinant DNA technology in the production of insulin. What are conventional fuels? Enumerate on their environmental impact. What are biofertilizers? Explain the production of biofertilizer. If I'm going very quick, I'm telling you repeatedly, pause the video and make a note. Explain the steps involved in preparation of chimeric DNA. Chimeric DNA in the sense that is recombinant DNA. Answer the following in one sentence or one word. Expand IPTG. What is symbiosis? Name the antibiotic resistance gene in PUC18. Mention the phases of viral life cycle. What are exhaustible fuels? What is electrophoresis? Name any two organisms involved in bioleaching. What is ectomycorrhiza? What is ultrafiltration? What is reverse osmosis? So this is all about the 2014 question paper. Now let us go to the last. I'll be presenting this university question paper. Okay. Answer the following isoschizomas, microinjection, rhizobium, renewable resources. While answering renewable resources, try to also pull the definition of non-renewable resources, conventional fuels and non-conventional fuels. Somatotropin. Explain any four of the following. Explain the role of lambda phage DNA as cloning vector. Write short notes on agarose gel electrophoresis, in short AGE. Give an account on immunological screening. Describe the process of biodegradation of chlorinated hydrocarbons. VAM as a biofertilizer. Explain. All these questions, answer carries 5 marks. Explain, answer any three of the following. Explain the process of treatment of industrial waste. You don't have in this syllabus, so no worries. Okay, during 2012, we had this unit. Now we don't have this one, so forget. Discuss the role of recombinant DNA technology in hepatitis B vaccine production. Explain Sanger's method of DNA sequencing. Give an account on production of any two modern fuels and add a note on their environmental impact. Explain the steps involved in construction of genomic DNA libraries. Okay, so this is the 2012 question paper. So you can keep in your mind the model question paper here, 2017. Okay, so here you'll get write short notes on the following. 5 questions you need to answer, 10 marks. Answer any 4 of the following. 4 questions you need to answer. Each carries 5 marks, 20 marks. This is the pattern. This is the first main, second main. Then this will be the third main and the fourth main. Okay. In third main, you need to answer 3 questions. Each question answer carries 10 marks. So total 30 marks. In the fourth main, you need to answer all the 10 questions. Each question answer carries 1 mark. So 10 marks. 10 plus 30. Here 40. And here you will get 20 plus 10. So total 60. Okay. There's 70 marks. 20, that is 30, 30, 60, 30 plus 30, 60 marks, 10 marks, that is total 70. So this is the model question paper, 10 marks, 20 marks, 30 marks, and then 30 marks, and then 10 marks. So total for 70 marks, you're writing your paper. So this is about the university question paper, paper 5, genetic engineering and environmental biotechnology. Stay tuned with me. I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I, Dr. Pratibha K, signing out for today. Stay tuned with me. Thank you.